my favorite thing about Intacct is just that it has really helped the entire company get much more information and much more knowledge about the operations of the business.
We have been able to provide relevant, accurate information in a timely manner for executive team to make the right decision for the company.
It also enables us to look at our internal financial statements much sooner than we were before and make valuable changes in course and adjustments where we need to.
We can get a great deal of work done simply by setting up Intacct to report in some automated fashion, again through dashboards.
They can log in and immediately see their dashboard and see the 3 or 5 or 10 things they need in the format they need, in a report, in a chart, a graph, whatever way they visually like to see it. It can be dispersed to their key stakeholders, so it eliminates a lot of Q&A or emailing back and forth because the stakeholders can view their own dashboard information.
At different levels of management, our first dashboard layer, if you will, is one of spend, and we're asking them to stay on top of expenses, compare with budget, manage what amount of resources they've been allocated. The next layer on top of that would be a manager who's got some responsibility for sales or revenue. And we'll lay out another dashboard to put on top of the expense dashboard, one that we call revenue. And then still on top of that, we'll add an executive layer with balance sheet information and certain other KPIs.
I think my favorite thing about Intacct is the availability for the employee users to drill down on information. They never had access to drill down and find out what the bottom line information was. They can drill down and see, who in fact was this invoice to, who did we pay and how much was it and when was it paid, and all that information is phenomenal.
The most valuable feature for our clients, I think, is in the multidimensional reporting. And in other systems, it's either non-existent or it's really, really complex, and they end up doing a lot of this dimensional work in the chart of accounts, which is very cumbersome. It's really the old way of doing things.
The matter of seeing decision-making change is that knowledge is power, and the more that we can do by way of the many dimensions and the robust reporting within Intacct, the more that we can gather, and the more that we can take data and profile it and parse it and bring it back together in different perspectives and different lights.
We've been able to enhance the 13 dimension codes that are out of the box with Intacct. By doing that, we have eliminated the need for Excel reporting.
The Intacct system allows us to synchronize and pull in data from our other existing systems. This has been the key to the whole thing for us, is to be able to meld those two things together.
The beauty in it is that it is there, it's real time, it's on all the time. We haven't been disappointed.